Nobody wants to say. Those fix the place. But after a while, him just say no. Him just get mad and say, and him not tell me in my face. Him call me family, them a country and tell them to tell me to come out of place and nobody fix it.
And him could even say it to you?
No, him not say it to me. When him come in the evening and say, him call Ann. If Ann call me, so I say to him, say, no, Ann no call me. Him say, well, she go call you. So me call her, and when me call her, now she start tell me. And she said to me, say, come out of place, guys. Say, if you not come out, him good at doing nothing to do. And every minute him check to me, say, I choose she make him not chop me in a head long time, so better me come out. I mean, I want no man kill me over them place.
True.
I look at 2 bedrooms.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Denise. Oh, you asleep? Oh, you don't know you're asleep.
I'm going to take the pill and go sleep.
Go on, go back to sleep then.
Where there?
Oh, you don't know you're asleep, man. I'm not going to hold you long then. Like how you're asleep. Sorry to wake you up, boy.
Yeah, man.
So sorry. Okay, you're nice. I work I go on.
Yeah, I'm going to see you.
Oh, ceiling decorator. You asleep on the workman then.
Yeah, man, you're not sure with me. Check Andre. It's a chip off now.
I think the thing that we go back on. Yeah, I like the ceiling.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, wow, what is this thing again? Teardrops. And raindrop. Nice, Denise. There'll be a teardrops come all the way around the bathroom. Little bossy style. Yeah, going well. Yeah, sleep. Or the shelf that below for the kitchen counter.
Put the things in.
Respect my general. Oh, Denise, you got chip off the manual. See, chip it off again. Extra charge that way, Denise. Man, charge extra. No happen. Yeah, so I have this pressure thing here. It's from Secret Place of the Most High.
Secret Place of the Most
High
High.
in the US. That name been ringing a lot.
Secret Place. Always hear them say Secret Place, you know.
So, this
okay,
is
thanks.
Thanks.
Secret Place
of the Most High.
Of the Most High. From New York?
From the US.
From the US. Thank you very much.
It's like a watch.
It's a watch.
Break it, it'll tell everything about your rate and everything.
Oh.
Same like the pressure thing.
Okay.
It's supposed to have a manual inside it. That is key.
Yeah.
So you wear it upon your hand.
And test it. Let me see. And banner.
It's supposed to have a yeah. So that now you can tell you how it works.
It works. Secret Place
of the Most
High.
Secret so
Secret Place of the Most High. Sweet man, thank you very much.
Yeah.
I read it and see.
Yeah.
Yeah, Secret Place of the Most High.
Give thanks.
Bless up and thanks, Secret Place of the Most High. That's a nice name, Secret.
Yeah, of course. Keep it that way.
Yeah, keep it that way, the secret. No, sir, thank you very much, Secret Place of the Most High. God bless you. May that your food basket never run dry. And keep safe from the pandemic. COVID will take over the world.
Yeah.
Island wide.
May
I keep safe too.
Yeah, I'm going to keep safe.
Right there, so too. Jamaica, alright, respect, yeah. Secret Place of the Most High.
I saw you, I forgot name your next youth, you know.
Now get them more youth. We're done.
Yeah, of course.
I'm finished.
Might as well.
Yeah.
So big up yourself, Secret Place of the Most High. You know?
Yeah, man, big up
as
Secret Place.
As you can see, she's very happy.
Yeah, man, yeah. Secret Place. Alright, respect.
Yeah. Hello. Tell me what you say you want. Bicycle. What's your name? You tell me your name then. Nia. So you have my best friend named Nia? So Shanko that name Nia?
So my family?
So you name two of them Nia?
She named Leah.
Oh, Leah.
Yeah.
And Nia. What you copy the name, man. Father, you copy the name, man.
She bigger than I.
Alright then, Nia, you want to buy it to her? Yeah, how much? Yeah, 3. Wow! Is the father? Yeah, 3? Wait there. So you see your mommy are laughing. Why your mommy laughing?
You don't like me?
Eh? Why your mommy laughing? Yeah. Father, she 3?
Yeah, Kino.
So why you laugh so? Of course. You get to buy it to you. You can ride bicycle? Yeah. For real? And you're 3? You don't afraid to drop? You don't afraid to fall down? No? Alright then. I'm gonna pray for you to get a bicycle, okay? Yeah? Yeah. You got my best foot, you copy. See your mother, I'm not blame you, I blame the mommy. I blame the mommy. You want to buy it to what do you mean? Alright, here, back. So thank you.
This can't buy a bicycle, my dad.
You can't buy a bicycle.
Hey,
you have to go save it.
You can't buy a bicycle. You must buy a bicycle. Yeah, this can buy a Lasco.
Yeah, don't can buy
a
Ractor.
Oh,
can't buy a bicycle. In your Batman shirt. Are you a Batman now? Yeah. You a Batman now, Sams? Yeah. Alright, Sams. We have $1,500 for you. We have $1,500 for you, Sams. You know? from Romario. Yeah? Send him Romario. So for big up Romario. Yeah, so that's
Romario. Big up yourself, you know. Heart of love. One. Love.
Oh.
Heart.
Alright.
Bless up. Bless up.
So stand up,
Bless
man.
up, yeah, Romario.
Yeah. So bless up.
Bless up, yeah, Romario. Bless up.
Alright, now I have $1 more $1,000 for you. From Auntie Brown. So it's Auntie Brown. $1,000 for you from Auntie Brown.
Auntie Brown, big up yourself, you know, I love your heart, I love.
Yeah.
Give thanks.
Yeah. You know, I got the X again. Yeah. Alright then, Sam said pure love, heart of love. Alright, now your Batman shirt. Happy birthday when it comes, okay?
Yeah.
So if anything else come, I'll give it, yeah? So don't worry, keep praying. Alright then, big up.
Big up.
So Donna, so all things.
Alright, you know.
Yeah. As I say, a long time because you know the active with that go on for the place and you know say you never really do about and the kids them can never really
They have dead some here for their country and we have one more dead again.
You have one more again?
The nephew dead Wednesday.
Yeah. Yeah.
One more funeral again.
One more. Because same thing where I explained to them about, isn't it? I know we have to go explaining to the viewers then. Then you can get an understanding of yeah, so as I go say, you know, I have some donation fee as well too, towards the material, towards the house and everything. So well, viewers and donors, you know, to all the donors and that reach out to Donna, you know, they kind of explain a situation which is it brought to my attention, which is Donna I got explain what's going on as well, because well I never have an idea what's going on till one time she brought this to my attention about this place where she's living. So she got explain to me, because apparently I don't think the work can carry on right here, so because of situation we'll rebuilding a house for Donna like right here. So we have a little obstacle in the way where Donna got explain the situation and then we have an understanding. So I got donation for her same way, which is I'm gonna hand it to her, which is donors them understand that I normally keep the donation towards material. So I handed the donation in same way, and but after explain situation same way we go get the donors them to contact me and we can have a talk, and then now we can know what to do with the donations from there. So I'm gonna make it explain to them what's going on with this place we're staying right now.
Well, good afternoon, donors. Right here where I'm living, is my baby father house. And as far as I go, me and him not together anymore. So him say he must fix up the house. Just find somewhere I move, and then anything now me can build for myself. So when me that do, me I look somewhere for rent, when we can come out of the house, and then further me see where I can go on.
Okay. So apparently, cause me never know say your father live here.
Yeah, I feel house.
Film house. So me live in the house?
Yeah, feel room right there, sir.
Oh, that place
That's
where
why
always
lock up.
always lock
Yes,
up.
it's true, me and him know they're no good grace now. Him just keep on locking him door so nobody can go in the field side.
Okay.
So from me and him now in no good grace now, we just move come down here so and get the people them on the other side of the room.
Okay, so this is the reason why you
When they're down
sleep.
here,
You're
sir.
right here, so
Yes.
and the kids them in the next room. Okay.
So when me don't do now, me don't go fix it up. And anything now, if anything now, I'm gonna go to part it. I make him get half and me get half, like how me fix it. But him a cuss over it every minute him talk about it, so now we fix up in place and all that things. So that makes sense. So me I look somewhere. Me join one agency where them a look place to me. So and then me I wait for him.
Okay.
And as far as I go, me that look piece of land for lease, what me could have get, but away in a sentence.
On a sentence.
Yeah, but them said the lease land them finish.
Okay.
28,000 a year.
Okay. That's in sentence. You know, well, no land in a church town like that where you have no space. Like, if you could have really want to build something elsewhere, because in church town there's no space like that where you can capture and do any form of work like that. So the space for that now in here so is difficult. So donors, as you can hear what Donna explained, you know, so how long now you and him stop talk? Is it a long time?
Well, me and him talking about, true me now go bed with him and all of that. Him talk about it. Even last week me call him sister and I complained to her about him because him stopped giving me money and all of that. So she has say, well, if from me and me not go bed with him, move out and let him play scheme.
Yeah.
So, because me not give up God for him, me go a death road. When me have sat here, I'm dead. Because the doctor give up and say me dead. The next doctor will hold on to me hand. Say to the doctor, say you can't give up on the woman. And the only pit the woman have. And the doctor turned to him and said, oh, me not give up on her, she dead. I stand up at the spirit stand up at the bedside and watch everything. And when we feel like, somebody said to me, say, lie down. And the spirit just go back in the body and lie down. I will lie down me here when the doctor will hold on to me and say, me feel a pulse. The doctor said to him, say, oh, if you feel pulse and the woman dead. He said, no, she not dead, me feel a pulse. And when with afterward, me feel some cold come from my stomach. And me hear doctor say, yes, her heartbeat is there, but it's low.
Yeah.
And a little bit after now, I open my eye and the woman doctor were over my head. Said to me, say, you come back? And I shake my head. And she said, open your mouth. And she put a tube in my mouth and one in my nose and front that I don't know nothing. I baby Monday, I don't wait till Thursday. Now give up on God for no man.
Yeah.
God can't put me back to come on the earth, to come serve him the way I'm supposed to serve him. I asked him to marry to me, he said no, forget marriage. So I said forget sex.
So how long ago this? How was this with you?
10 years.
10 years now.
Because him promise, say him I go marry to me after me have the baby. Because I'm not getting none. At the age of 51, me give him a baby when I was 45. And I go a death road for him. And him not agree for marriage to me. Me can't live with it.
Yeah.
So me just part.
Yeah, so just because she would not know him say
Yeah,
you need
because I
him
now
to
lie down with him and every minute him come him say he can't touch me and him now want lie down with him and them things. So don't build up him house, just find somewhere go, make him can't get a woman and carry. So that's me have to do to move.
that put more pressure upon you, and I'm daughter this. So you have to move out with little girl as well too.
Yeah, I'm not let me baby with him.
So how you feel for know so well him making daughter leave out and so.
Well, him a tell me say to leave her, but she not stay. She say she tell him I say, oh, anyway, mommy tell me the back car, me nah move, nah left on ya.
You know, which is rare because you know it's mommy. You know, the child them always to be clean on and mommy anyway you take it.
Yeah.
You know, as people as you can hear, she explain the situation what's going on. So apparently the place here is not hers. You know, she not be able for the place because a country left and come here so with him.
They live a Mountain View.
Mountain View, and they come here so come stay with him, right? So after everything start to go downhill, and it's been a standstill from then to now, which is him just decide to make up his mind. And him already didn't know say you go fix up the place, right?
Yeah, because him did I tell me one night time, so now listen when nobody wants say, just fix the place. But after a while him just say no. Him just get mad and say, and him not tell me in my face, him call me family in my country and tell them to tell me to come out of place and nobody fix it.
And him could even say it to you?
No, him not say it to me. When him come in the evening and say, him call Ann. If Ann call me, so I say to him, say, no, Ann no call me. Him say, well, she go call you. So me call her, and when me call her, now she start tell me. And she said to me, say, come out of place, guys. Say, if you not come out, him good at doing nothing to do. And every minute him threaten me, say, I choose she make him not chat me in my head long time, so. Better me come out. I mean, I want no man kill me over them place.
True.
I look at 2 bedroom for me and them.
So yeah, go for the rent for the time being. So
I
what?
say, we could have do a little business now, we could have gone to pay my rent.
Yeah.
That's what I mean, I said to you, say, if you could have, make me get the money that if anything, we can go and do a little business.
Yeah.
And pay my rent until if anything, now I start build up some money.
Yeah.
I know so I can buy one piece of land and then I can start doing.
Yeah, so it's yeah, so
that's it.
Yeah, so it's really understandable, you know, and so far the donation we collect towards the material, and I got ask all the donors them who contact me, who reach out to Donna, if they can contact me when we can have this discussion about the donations that we send towards the material for the rebuilding of Donna house. So if all the donors them that reach out, you know, I got a list of the names, but when you can contact me and we can talk about it, so we can, if anything, we come up with an idea, we can give her the donation to make sure go and start live, because the project won't go on because of the situation what's going on. So if the donors then can contact me, you know, and any viewers, your opinion, you can leave it in the comment section for me and tell me what you think about the situation. In a situation which is you can't stay here anymore, you know, so we kind of understand what's going on. So all the donors them, I'm asking you please and thanks if you can contact me. I will discuss Donna's situation and we can move on from there. So if so be the case, we can give her the donation so she can continue and do what she can do to help herself, because at the minute she says she have to go get somewhere to rent, which is, you know, that's another difficult situation because rent of always have to pay. And she said she'd rather start a business where she can maintain the rent, which is would be helpful to the situation when she living elsewhere now. So where you planning to get that place to rent?
Well, anywhere, cause
Wow.
anywhere, cause me I look all about. I see some at Portmore, but I 70 and 80,000, we can't pay afford that.
Month?
Yeah.
Too much? Yeah, fine.
So me no know. Me no know what I go on otherwise. Me I go and look still. Anyway, me get one, take it. Further different one, then this money. Between 25 30, yeah, that would have good for me.
So what kind of business you look for you start then?
Well, when me I do, I say I start sell fish, but I have one couple where I could have drive around and sell. That's good for me, I don't know yet.
Oh, freshwater fish?
Yeah.
Sea fish?
Sea fish.
Okay, so you just buy
fish and
sell.
Yeah.
Okay. Situation sticky, huh? Really sticky. But as I say, I got some donation for you towards the material. You know, as I explain to the donors them, whenever we have a project doing, the donation towards the material is normally me keep it. You know, as we explain that to everyone. So I said I'll give you this donation same towards the material, and then now I'm going to keep it when time the donors them contact me, and then now we have a talk and we can discuss alright, if we can just give you the donation that we collect from everyone towards the material, they can go and start what you want to start with you and your daughter. You understand? Because we understand what going on, and it's out of dream team, and you know, we can't force an issue. But they said no, still build it up when time it's not needed because the person don't want you to be here. So I have donation for you, see me. I have $5,000 from Clinton and Tanya from the US towards the materials.
Clinton and Tanya, thank you very much for this donation. And may God make your pocket never empty.
Yeah. And we have Dr. K from the US, $10,000 towards the material.
Dr. K from the US, thank you so much. Thank you for the donation. And may your pocket never empty.
Yeah. I also have Mike Duffy from the UK, $40,000 from Mike Duffy.
Thanks, Mike Duffy from the UK.
Yeah, Mike Duffy.
Mike Duffy, thank you so much for this donation. Your pocket never empty.
Yeah.
So all the donors who reach out to me, thank you so much. Because what is going on right now, it is not my fault or my decision to do it. But I have to try to step up to the kids them. And try to move on. So, may I ask still, if you can have it on your heart, we just forgive for what's going on, and God bless all of you. May your pocket never empty.
Yeah, so all viewers, all donors, as you can hear, it's never the intention of Donna, you know, because she's been living here for how long now, and you know what she explained about the situation. So there's nothing more she can do or we can do, you know, to carry on this project. So that's where it is now. You know, the project is on a stall. So all the donors that want to watch this program, please, if you can contact me. And you can give me the go-ahead to reach out back and give Donna the donation that will collect towards the material so she can go and start life with her kids. So thank you all for reaching out for Miss Donna and our kids on this journey. It's been a wonderful journey, it's been a blessing, you know, because it's been a change in people's lives, so we give thanks. So you can also comment, all the viewers, and you can comment as well to what you think about the situation, see me. And the donors that will definitely contact me. So please, people, you know, stay safe out there. God bless you all, you know, and the situation is what it is right now. There's nothing much you can do. So we're just gonna hope and pray. Because when I say the donation I just give to Donna towards the material, I'm still gonna receive it back. Put it down towards the rest of the donation that we already collect. So whenever we get the go ahead to give the donation to Miss Donna so she can carry on with life. So God bless you all. Thank you for reaching out, and don't forget to contact me, all donors that reach out to Miss Donna, so that please and thanks. God bless you all. Dream team, one team, only real team. Alright, then you're Donna? Yeah.
Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiro Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.